Oh my god, my dad is drinking too much.
Hey, Krista, how are you?
Don't touch me, please. Can you please go away?
Come on, don't be so sensitive. You didn't care when we were playing with you.
Are you flirting with me?
Oh, come on. I know you've liked me for a long time.
Ew. Hello? Hello?
What is it? I've been saying something but you're not listening.
Are you mad?
Is it obvious? Never mind.
Can I buy something on credit?
Okay, what do you want?
Chocolate, chicharon, and
Alam
ribor.
niya, I want my something.
Oh goodness, it's you again.
Wait. What's first?
No, meat first.
Okay, go first there. What do you want?
One way.
I knew it. Fine, don't. I'm not forcing you. Go away.
No, please.
Wait, what this old way you're talking about?
He'll sing the alphabet and stop at the letter that corresponds to the first letter of what he wants to buy.
Nim.
P. It sounds like E, but it's P, okay?
Why?
Then what's it E?
Seems like she's taking forever.
Yeah, no, just wait here just a bit.
Your kid must buying credit on another planet.
Oh God.
Krista!